Hi guys.
Hi, Rizka.
Hi, Rizka.
How was your day?
I'm good.
Me either.
Have you guys already watched the videos Dr. Ikhsan gave us?
Yep, but I've just finished the first video, so I haven't watched the later yet.
Actually, I've already watched both of the two videos, but the most video that engaging for me is the second video.
Yeah, you are right. But the first video is also good for me because I've always been wondering about Harvard University. Ananda, you said that you've watched the Harvard one. What do you think about that?
Truly interesting. The video showed the beautiful place of the campus, such as Harvard Yard, the Jones Statue, Science Center, Harvard Lecture Halls, Harvard Common Study Area, and many more.
What stood out to you the most?
Definitely the library.
Me too. What about you, Dhiya? What place in Harvard University that you like the most?
Personally, I prefer the Harvard Common Study Area. I can imagine how comfortable I am if I study there.
Let's move to the second video about the differences between England, Britain, and the UK. Was interesting.
Oh yeah? I always been confused about that. Can you clarify?
Well, in general terms, there are four main countries. They are England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. Each country has its own flag, and the UK is the political entity for these four countries.
Ah, got it. Thanks for explaining, Dia.
It's fascinating how videos can teach us so much, right?
Yeah, I'm very grateful for easy access to information.
So let's keep sharing videos like this. It's a great way to learn together.
Sure.
Sure. All right, see you next time, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.